An introduction to stereoisomerism, showing cis and trans isomerism and arene substitution. First, we start off with an ethene molecule, which is comprised of 4 magnets in place of bonds and a non-rotatable double bond. By simply adding 2 methyl groups, we can quickly show you cis-butene and quickly rotate to show you now trans-butene. We remove the methyl groups and we can quickly put together similar things to get ourselves a benzene molecule. Now, by simply adding another methyl group back, we have toluene. By adding a second methyl group, we have orthoxylene, or 1,2-dimethylbenzene. By simply moving it around one more position, we have metaxylene, or 1,3-dimethylbenzene. And finally, by moving it to the last position here below, we have paraxylene, or 1,4-dimethylbenzene.